guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have the Morgan Taylor Halloween nail polish collection swatch video for you. As I mentioned to you about a month ago, I have a bunch of Halloween collections that I didn't get around to swatch before Halloween because I received some Halloween PR packages, but I also purchased quite a lot of Halloween collections from other makers, and one of them is the Morgan Taylor Villains Halloween collection. This one I purchased from polishpig.com. I will link for you the seller in the description box, and I do have to say, spoiler, I really enjoy and like these polishes from Morgan Taylor. They are 1 to 2 coaters, so absolutely gorgeous. Most of them can be opaque on one coat, but because I have ridges in my nails, I decided to go for a second coat. However, this Halloween collection reminds me more of a Christmas collection, so I think it's almost more appropriate than their holiday collection to show it to you now. The colors definitely scream to me more Christmas rather than Halloween, but I really enjoyed all of these polishes, so I can't even choose a favorite because I think Morgan Taylor really nailed it and they did a great job. Let me know which polish out of these 6 is your favorite and what are your thoughts on the Halloween collection for these colors. As I said, they just remind me of Christmas, and if you do enjoy these type of videos, then please give me a thumbs up, and if you're new here and you don't want to miss out on any of my future videos, then definitely also hit the subscribe button before you leave. I will link for you everything that I can in the description box, but if you do have any questions, please just leave them for me in the comment section. I will wrap it up here, continue watching the swatch portion. Thank you so much for being here today, and I will be back with some more soon. So thank you. Bye bye.